This video tutorial is intended for those who are interested in vector graphics and want to create an abstract image of an artificial intelligence with an elegant female face in profile. You'll learn about the basic techniques of vector graphics and learn step-by-step how to create this stylish, intelligent image, using basic geometric shapes to create a face and artificial intelligence elements, working with contours and defining shapes, adding details to a woman's face, including abstraction and modernity, selecting stylized elements to reflect intelligence. You can use any head image you like. The first thing you need to create is a head contour. To do this, take a pen with a white outline. Then I made 3 copies of the head contour with different stroke thicknesses from 1 to 3 mm. I wanted it to look a little blurry. Do everything as in the video. Change the mode to overlay. We can immediately see the result, but that's not all. To hide part of the head a little, we'll use a mask with a rectangle and a gradient. And so it looks like we need it. Let's make the background as black as possible. As you can see, the head is not visible in this background, so between the background and the head, we will add simple elements of rectangles of different shapes in the screen and overlay mode. Add a little color to some of the elements. Remember, there should be these rectangles between the background and the head. Now let's increase and decrease the transparency a little, arrange them as you want. This is a big advantage of working on stocks. You do what you want, and your customers like it. This video tutorial will allow you not only to master the vector graphics technique, but also to create a unique and stylish image that reflects a combination of abstract intelligence and female grace in profile.